Show you how to print even numbers within a range. So here I have the HTML file linked to this JavaScript, and I want to start off by having a variable to hold the minimum value. Now we'll have a while loop, and we're going to check that we're going to run this loop until it reaches the maximum length. So let's say the maximum length is 10, and it's less than or equal to 10. Then we're going to write an if statement so that we check if the number, as we increment through these values, is even by using the variable name, then a percentage sign, and then the number 2, and making or comparing this value to the number 0. So once this if statement is met, that means the number is even, and therefore we'll just console log this value, and making sure that we are incrementing through so that we're not having an infinite loop. So if we look to the right side, in our console, when this loads, so these are the even numbers within this range using the while loop, and then an if statement with a condition to print out these values. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.